ENMY company sent me a gift. So today, I'm going to unbox these ENMY acrylic markers and try them out for the first time. This is how the markers look. My first impression was wow, there are so many vibrant colors to choose from. These markers have brush tip, which is amazing for coloring, unlike expensive Posca markers that usually come with a normal tip. Also, when you shake them, Posca marker make more noise, while ENMY markers are quieter. That means you won't feel shy about shaking them anywhere, especially when your mom's sleeping. They also include a color chart where you can test the paint on paper, plus a sticker with a code where you can use it for the marker. Let's fill in the chart. And wow, it's dry more faster than I expected.
Sometimes you gotta pray for a victory.
Look how vibrant the colors are.
That's when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural.
Now that the chart is ready, let's start the artwork. Recently, I've really been enjoying painting on smaller canvases. I usually work on a big painting like this, but this time, I'll create a smaller ones. So let's start sketching. I'll be sketching a character portrait on a canvas, and let's see how it's going to turn out. First canvas, done. Now onto the second one.
My feet when I touch the ground. Front of A to Beijing, man, they know the sound. I know I make mistakes, but my mama proud. Fans scream my lyrics out in the back.
Third canvas, done.
But I'm hot now. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. Life down bad, you gotta pay the price.
Fifth canvas, done. And finally, the sixth sketch is also done.
I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. When you down bad, you gotta.
Now it's time for the most exciting part, and probably the one you've been waiting for, painting the canvas with ENMY markers. First, I'm going to prepare the color combinations. I already have some idea in mind, so let's get coloring. I really like how these markers perform. The colors are so vibrant and blend beautifully.
Yeah. 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 Smoking on his eye, swear it really got me fried. I've been through a lot, I swear it helps me clear my mind. We put some work on the streets, we ain't overdrive.
The first painting is done. Now let's move on to the next canvas. This time, I'm going to color the background first. I use a traditional acrylic paint and paintbrush to color the canvas quickly. It's already 10:40 p.m. and it's time for me to sleep. Bye. The color really brings the character to life, and I love how smooth they blend. Second painting, finish. Now it's time for the third. Honestly, I'm really enjoying these markers, but I have a problem. My stomach is singing. Hello everyone, I'm Chef Joanne, and today we're going to make a pancake. So you'll need a bowl, an egg, sugar, vanilla, milk, baking powder, and of course some flour. Mix everything together, reheat the pan, add some butter, and cook the pancake. And voila, you have a pancake. Now let's get back to coloring. For this character, I'll be using pink as a background color. Everything is coming together beautifully. Finally, this girl painting is done, so let's proceed to the next one. Since the character is a boy, I'll be using a blue as a background color to reflect with the character.
No, got no plans tonight, and it ain't too hard to notice.
Look at the details.
Somehow I'm surprised. You my
Finally, fourth canvas is done.
suddenly make a sense.
For the fifth canvas, I'll color it outside the house, so let's bring all the markers with me.
Want to fall in love, try to stay apart.
The event is done, now it's time to paint inside the car. Let's set up the car and start painting.
Try to stay.
Everything is turning good so far. I really enjoy painting inside the car, but it's getting late night. So, let's continue painting at
I've
home.
been waiting for love, but it ain't coming. I ain't making enough. That's what he thinking, so he chasing a buck. Everybody chasing, running me. I'm raising a cup. I'm celebrating. I remember all the ways I was stuck, so I ain't falling for the trap. Now I'm shaking it up. We hit the dance floor. Woo, you be making it drop. The same love, but the bottom's what we take to the top. L is for the way.
Let's finish the last canvas.
O is for the orbit we are in.
I really like these ENMY markers and I highly recommend it. The only thing that I don't like is the packaging, which occupied my whole table when I'm working on painting. But overall, it's really nice markers.
Birds suddenly appear. That is what we humming to.
Fall in love, try to stay apart.
All tiny painting is done and I hope you like it as much as I do. So now, enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.
Saving never suit you, blowing all the bank. It's sad to see you go out the deepest end. Now your life is like a movie, top down in LA. And you switching on your old friends, they just can't relate. Say that you can see right through me, but you're the one who's fake. Baby, I see what you're doing, but that just ain't no way. Now your life is like a movie, top down in LA. And you switching on your old friends, they just can't relate. Say that you can see right through me, but you're the one who's fake.